Hello, Namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel, My Cravings with Krishna. What to do when your heart craves for a chocolate cake but the mind shouts out for a vanilla cake? It's a fix. Let's make zebra cake. You can see the beautiful pattern inside the cake. It's like zebra strips, so this is called zebra sponge cake. It's very easy to prepare with simple ingredients. I hope you all will love this recipe. Hit like and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. For making zebra cake, we need basic ingredients that are available at home. These are the ingredients we need to prepare zebra cake. 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. I have measured it in a tea cup. 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup oil, 1 cup milk at room temperature, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla essence, a pinch of salt and 2 spoons of cocoa powder. Let's start. We'll take a bowl. First we will mix sugar and oil. We'll pour 1 cup of oil and 1 cup of sugar that I have grind into powder. Mix it well. After mixing for 1 to 2 minutes, it will become a smooth paste. Now add 3 tablespoons of vanilla essence. This is totally optional. If you want, you can add, otherwise you can skip this. Then mix everything well. Now add a pinch of salt to this. Now add half cup of milk and rest we will add later on, and mix, and you can see it will become smooth batter. Now it's time to mix the dry ingredients. I have strained the flour. We will add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and mix everything well. Now we will mix this dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. We will keep on adding small portions of this dry ingredients to this batter and mix it. When it will become more dry, keep adding little bit of milk and again this flour and mix. Prepare it into a smooth batter. You can see the consistency of this batter. Now we will divide this batter into 2 portions in the ratio of 60 to 40. 60% of vanilla essence and 40% of chocolate essence. So I am dividing it into 2 portions. Add 2 spoons of cocoa powder and little bit of milk. I have used a tin to bake this cake. We will grease this tin and sprinkle some flour so that the cake does not stick to the tin. It will act like a butter paper. You can also use butter paper. Now let's start layering the cake. Pour 1 spoon of vanilla batter, 1 spoon of chocolate batter. Repeat this process. It takes bit time, but I assure you'll enjoy doing this process. Keep on adding layer by layer. The more layer you'll do, the more visible strips. Finally, you can see the cake looks so beautiful with this layer of vanilla and chocolate. And finally, the cake is done. We'll take a toothpick and give it a pattern. So I have used the toothpick to give it a beautiful pattern like a flower. Now we will bake it in a kadai. We'll take a kadai, preheat it and put a stand and place the cake tin inside the kadai and cover it. We will cook it in medium flame for 40 minutes. Cover the kadai and let it cook for 40 minutes in medium flame. After 40 minutes, we will check by putting a toothpick in the middle of the cake. If it comes clear, then your cake is done. And you can see the cake looks so beautiful and fluffy. Let's demold the cake. We will demold to a plate. You can see. Let's cut the cake and see how it looks from inside. You can notice it's very fluffy and it's just like zebra strips inside the cake. Enjoy it as a snacks. Prepare this recipe and don't forget to share your experience in the comment section below. Thank you. See you soon with new recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the channel icon. Thank you.